Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, set up this Google Pixel watch that everyone has been waiting for from Google. Hashtag get from Google, hashtag Team Pixel for actually sending this to me out for review. But before I get into this unboxing, check this out. Okay everyone, so Google was nice enough to send this out to me, hashtag Team Pixel again, but they sent this out to me. They sent me out the Google Pixel Watch, the LTE version. It is also with Fitbit. A lot of people was talking about this watch. People have been waiting on it. Now it came out, people are saying it's small. It's only 41 millimeters, so it's not the biggest watch, especially when you look at it compared to this, or even the Apple Watch Ultra. But let's see what you get in the box. Nice little presentation from them. So it came in here. Let's see what else you have in here. So you have some books, some startup guides. Do we really read that? Nah, we don't read that. Probably should, but we don't. And then here is the charging cradle. So you have the charging cradle and the USB Type-C charging port. And then they give you, I think this is a smaller band. So it has the Google band latch in there. I don't know exactly how to get that thing off yet. The way they did it is they wanted to make it go like it's seamless into the watch itself. So they came up with this idea. Now, the bad thing about this is that these bands are pretty expensive. Not cheap at all. And you can't just use a regular band on there. So I don't know what y'all think about that one, but I do like the gray and black that they sent to me. But let's take this thing off and we can look at the watch, because y'all didn't come here for me to talk. So it says on your phone, download and open the Google Pixel Watch, and you can see it there. So you have this little turntable. That is the power button there. You have a microphone there. Looks like the speaker is there, another microphone. Then you also have the sensors in there. You can check your blood oxygen, your heart rate, and many other different sensors in here. Now, so the band, you're supposed to take this little button and kind of twist it or slide it in there. I'm gonna have to figure that one out, but it tells you to download the watch. But, so I have to go to Google Play. I'm going to install the Google Pixel Watch app. Now here's where some of the things seem a little questionable. It only has a 294 milliamp hour battery. It might last 24 hours, which is kind of weak in my part. It does have Wear OS 3.5. It has the Exynos 91110 chip in here. So I don't know what y'all think about the battery. The battery life might be the biggest problem for me. But we'll have to test it out, try it out. I might actually keep this one on one wrist and then also my my Samsung watch on the other wrist. I'll be like the Apple fanboys and the Android fanboys. So let's just send it up right now. What y'all think? Let's see how it looks on my wrist too. So here is a comparison with Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. It's telling me put on my, now here it is. It looks so small on my wrist, y'all. Well, when you compare it to the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Now it shows you how to learn how to swap the bands. So you can swap band sizes and styles in a few simple steps. Remove your band. Press the band secure button and slide the band over the band secure button and repeat on the other side. And then attach your new band. You want to get the Fitbit. So I'm going to install that too. But again, this is just the watch. I mean, On my big wrist, I think it looks kind of small, but it looks classy though. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of does look fancy. It's not a big clunky watch. Now it does have Android Assistant right on it. It's trying to connect to it right now. But let me go ahead and finish the setup. I'll come back and show y'all once it's set up how it looks and how do I feel about it. But give me one moment. All right, so I was able to set it up. Now it's going through like a little tutorial. It said press the crown to go back to the watch face. You can return to the watch face at any time. From the watch face, press the crown for apps. So there's my apps. If I swipe down, press the side button to see your recent use apps. So you have all your apps there. You can access your recent apps from anywhere. Want to learn a few tips and try later? I'm gonna say no. But that is the beginning of it. So if you swipe to your left, you get your towels that you can set up. I'm gonna have to log into Fitbit, exercise, heart rate, steps. Then if you swipe down, you have your settings, you have battery life, you have Google Pay. And then if you swipe right, you have steps. So you get your towels again that way too. And then if you hit the little crown there, you have all your apps already downloaded. Now, that's what's going to happen is how will this play with Android and how many apps will you have and everything else. So that is more to come. I will definitely come back. I have Google Assistant on there. I'll come back and see what else I can show y'all. Stay tuned. I just want to do a quick unboxing, maybe a first look at this watch. But stay tuned to the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel Watch, also the Pixel 7 Pro. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.